How to get Facebook QR code. If you want to get your profile's QR code on Facebook, simply go ahead and open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the search icon at the top. And then here you can just search for QR and it will show you your QR code. So just search for QR code. And then here you will find the scan QR code and share your personal code with others. Tap on it. And now here you're gonna have to simply go ahead and then tap on my code. And as you can see here, this is your profile's QR code and anyone can scan this to add you as a friend. So if you tap on share, here you'll be able to share this to different apps, and if you want, you can print it out as well. So let's say if I want to share this, I can just take a screenshot of it, or you could just go ahead and share it on any of these apps. So let me just take a quick screenshot, and now I can share it to whoever I want to add me as a friend on Facebook. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.